let me bring back the many parts. Let me add this yeah, that part is done. Let me try to add this part right here. This one's try to select this one, then join it to this, and then isolate the rest like that. Okay, so let's select all of this loop right here and try to delete it. So that will be our gap, right? Like that. So now what we can do now is try to take this also, double G to slide it this way, double G to slide this to this end, double G to slide this to this end, like that. And let's do this part. Deal with this part first. Yeah, this part goes this way. Double G slide, press C to move it closer to this. Double G to slide, double G, move this one closer, move this down, move it closer, then move this one also to this part right there. Yeah, so we have that. Select these two, double G to slide this. Select this one, also slide it to this part. Slide this one. Also, now I'll try to match this part. Then fill it. Select all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill it. Select this 2 also. Fill it. Then add a loop cut right at this part. Add another one right at this part. Then select this 2. J to join the vertices. Let me space this one out. We're moving this, sliding that. Slide this one also. Then select this center loop. Then drag it back on the X direction like that. So now let's try to line this one up. So you have something like that. Also select all of this, double G, E, F to move it closer to this end right here like that. So we have that part done. So let's deal with this once. Select all of this, press F to fill, F to fill, also F to fill, F to fill. And this part, I think we have to add an extra loop. Add an extra loop right. Move this one. Add another loop right here. Add one right here. Add one right here. Add another right here. Add another right here. Another right here. Add another right here. Then select these 2. Press F to fill. F to fill. Leave this gap. Select these ones. F to fill. Slide this one this way. Also slide this one this way. Add another loop right. Add that part. F to okay. Select all of this. Then fill it. Select these 2. Fill it. Fill it. Fill it. Like that. F to fill. F to fill. Take this one. Slide it down. I think okay. There's a gap here also. Let us deal with this one also. Take these vertices. Slide it to this end like that. Select all of this. Press Z0. Bring it up a little bit. Rotate. Bring it down. select all of this, also F to fill it, join this, F to fill, F to fill, F to fill, F to fill to that end. Let's try to line this one up a bit. Yeah, select all of this one also and fill it. Then add an extra loop at the center like that. Add another one right here. Take these two, join it to this part. Select all of this. Then delete the faces. Then we can select all of this and fill this part. Then let's draw back to this end. Yeah. So now select this loop right here. All of this. Also select these ones. Also, and now we can move it backwards. Just move it back this way. Let's try to match it with the depth of the door. GX this way. Yeah, that is it. Yep. So this part right here, we just have to have a few frames selected first. Take these two and this, fill it. For this part, take these ones, fill it. Take these ones also and fill it. Then I think we're good for that part. So now let us deal with this one. Go to edit mode. We just have to just fill this way. Or you can do this. Delete these faces right here. Faces, take these two, join it, then fill it with this like that. Also select all of this, then fill it with that. Yeah, let's try to sharpen this part now. Add a loop cut right here, move it closer to this end, or double G just to move it closer to this end. Add another one right here also, press E, move it closer to this end. Bring this one down like this. Bring this one up. Select all of this. First select this one also. Match by distance. Select all of this, disable this last one. Select all of this, disable this last one. Double G to slide. Select all, match by distance. And also correct this one. Moving this one down. Moving this one up. And I think here we go. That part. Let us sharpen this part too. You can slide this one. Take this two, press J to join, and here we go. And that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. So now I also notice I haven't filled the gap for this part. So let us try to take this one, slide it out a little, like that. Then select these vertices, press this, then delete it. Delete that, and also select these 4 vertices, fill it. Select these vertices, fill it. Add one right here, one vertex right here. Or you closer to this part, and I think I have to like select all of this, then drag the vertices added to that end. I think it's not really going to affect the shading like that. Yeah, so you can select these ones, just like that, then slide this add by distance. Slide this on also. Yeah, that way. So now we can select all of this and this and fill it. Select these ones and fill it. Also try to slide this a little bit. Slide these ones also. Then add a loop cut at the center of that. Select these two vertices, join it, then select all of this loop. Press Alt S to scale, or you can just move it on the X direction like that. And here we go. So I have to try to bring this one down. Also bring this one down. Take these two, then join it to that, and like so. And we're good to go. Slide this one also, press E, F, and then move it closer to this end, like so. And also have to try to take this one, move it up. Take this one, like slide this up, slide this one, move this one up a little. Take this one, move it up, move this one up, slide it down. Here we go. So that part is done. This is where I'm going to stop with this part. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. And also, please, I'll be giving this model for sale also after I'm done converting it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.